Back out with the dog again, out to our favourite train spotting place. Got a couple of trains coming through. There's a goods train, pretty decent one, and a couple of ordinary passengers. But who doesn't like a train? My dog loves trains as well. He's been sat patiently waiting. If I turn you around, I'll show you. He's sat patiently waiting, and we know there's a train coming soon. There's a train coming, Kobe, come on. Told you. Not much information about this train that's coming. Freight train, Freightliner are running it. We'll have a look and see what happens when it comes through. Well, if I'm not mistaken, I think that was a class 66. And another one. But who doesn't like a train?